Hello everybody. Welcome to a round of Tuesday morning unboxing here at Class Act. I have lots of new goodies to unveil with you guys this week, a couple of new classes. So I'm really excited. It's a new showtime. We're gonna, with it being school season, try out 10:30s on Tuesday mornings and see how it goes. Thankfully, if you guys are, working at a job or something, replay is a real thing, so you guys can always go back and rewatch the video when you get a chance. So, change can be an interesting thing. We'll see how it goes. I'm just going to dive right in a minute. Hi, Liz. Thanks for joining. I'll give everybody a minute or two to kind of filter in, and then we'll just hop right into things. So, like I said, we have some new classes, two of which I did not bring the samples home for. One is a gorgeous Victorian card class, where you will be decorating not only the outside of a card, but also the inside, the envelope. It's a whole thing, so that's something to look forward to. I believe that will be taking place over Zoom. And then there's also an in-person washi tape class using the All-in Create washi tape. It looks phenomenal, especially in person. If you've seen the samples, my apologies, I did not bring them. But trust me, I think it will be right up everyone's alleys. I did post them on Facebook, so if you have access to Facebook, if you have access to the website, you might enjoy this. Liz says she likes the change. Thank you. I appreciate that. I too like the change, just because 7 o'clock, 7:30 is bedtime, especially with school. So I really got to kind of get things under control, get in a routine. So yeah. Okay, we're going to hop right in. So speaking of classes, this is another class. This is Stenciling Basics with Hero Arts. And this will also be taking place over Zoom or available on YouTube after the fact. But what you get with this particular class is an entire technique kit from Hero Arts. Ink cubes, blending brushes, stencils, paper, everything is included. And I'm just going to be instructing you guys, running you through the basics, providing tips and techniques, and then we'll make sort of the 4 cards, and then we might even take it up a notch and do like a bonus card. But it's about mastering how to stencil. So it's going to be a really fun class. That's listed on the website as well. On top of that, we also have this amazing little number. This is an in-person class. This is the Waterfolio class, where you will learn to design and decorate a beautiful little mini album, perfect for fall, perfect for gift giving or keeping for yourself. And that is kind of cool because when you open it up, here's where the waterfall sort of happens. So you have all of these little waterfalls available to journal and document your fall fun activities, add your photos. It's really, really cute. So I definitely hope you guys will sign up for that. So I, again, am the instructor for this guy, and it's going to be a lot of fun, I promise. And then I'll just show you guys the other side really quickly. So these are held on by magnets, and then we'll go through how to assemble this little number. More little journaling cards. Ta-da! So that's an upcoming class as well. Check out the website. We should have everything listed under the classes section if you're interested in learning more. And now let's hop right into the brand new goodies that have arrived at Class Act. So we're going to start off pretty hot with this little number. I know these are very, very popular right now in the crafting community. This is the Precision Glue Press from My Sweet Petunia. Apparently it's game-changing. I don't personally have one, but I know a lot of people who do rave about them. What it is like a system that helps you apply glue without like difficulty, so you don't have to like smack your bottle on your desk to get the glue to come out. It's really, really user friendly, very ergonomically designed from my understanding. So if you have things like arthritis or you struggle with that aspect, it's supposed to make your life better. Then we took it a step further. We also brought in replacement nozzles and a bottle. So here you have one bottle with a fine tip and one bottle with a regular tip loaded. And you can fill it with whatever glue you like working with. So that's bonus. Let's see what else we got. We have some new Doodlebug Halloween things. These are shakers, and I hope I can show you on camera. They all have little ghost faces, pumpkin faces. These are really, really fun. They're flat embellishments, so if you make things like shaker cards, if you like throw in sprinkles somewhere, this is a really adorable option. Then we have some Doodle Pop. This one is a shaker pop again. So this is a little treat bag, pumpkin treat bag. It's interactive, it shakes, perfect for your Halloween kiddos or coworkers or whoever. Doodle Pops are always just super cute. Then, I think we have another one somewhere, but I'll find it. Oh, here it is. We have this guy. This one says sweet. It is also a shaker pop. It's full of like a little bat on the end of the dispenser. It says you're sweet, actually. It's cute. Oh, my internet might have taken a second. So this is the Hero Arts Fancy Die. This one is the Birds of Paradise. So if you've ever seen a Birds of Paradise flower, it's a tropical flower, but this die set actually cuts it. You can color it, you can style it. It's awesome for scrapbooking layouts of your vacations, for example. So Birds of Paradise from Hero Arts. Then we have Peking Elf back from Hero Arts. Now he does not look like much in the package, but if you happen to watch one of Sandra's videos last year, or if you hop on the website, you'll see all kinds of cute examples of him actually cut out and colored and embellished. He's a 10 out of 10. We love the Peking dies, so we decided we would bring in Peking Bear Cub. This is like a full through the trees. He's very, very sweet. Love him. You could do him up as a polar bear for winter, a black bear, a brown bear. Adorable. And speaking of bears, they also came out with this guy. This is here's the example that Hero Arts made of him. He is called Peking Winter Bear. So as you can see by the example, he's wearing a scarf, a hat. It's adorable. Then they also came out with Peking Penguin this year for all of you penguin fans. So again, you can decorate him with a scarf, a hat. You can leave him as just a cute little penguin peeking out, but we love them. We have this guy back in stock. So this is a die from Hero Arts as well. It's called Snowy Street Lamp. And you can create sort of a scenic street lamp scene on all of your holiday cards. Very, very cute. This guy is also making a return from last year. He is the tree pattern cover plate. So with the cover plates, some really fun things you can do are cut them out in 2 different colors and then switch pieces. So you can cut, red and green and put your trees in opposite colors, for example. Really, really fun. This is a stencil set from Hero Art. This one is called Snowflake Stencils. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the purple colors they did. It reminds me of Frozen. Really, really pretty stencil set. So it's a set of 4 different stencils where you can just use whatever colors you see fit and create some really beautiful backgrounds, journaling pages, card backgrounds, whatever you decide. We have this stamp set. Good morning, Bee. This one is called Offset Holiday Messages. Thank you for joining. This one is really cool because you can actually stamp your message and then using the solid one, for example, just go back, stamp over it, and it colors it in for you automatically. opposite, you could also just do a solid stencil. You could do, you know, this one with embossing powder. So really, really fun options with this guy. Then we have this snowflake cover plate, so similar to the trees. I love this one because not only does it cut nice backgrounds, but it also cuts snowflakes for you. So those are always a great thing to have around, and then you can just pop your snowflakes wherever. Snowflake cover plate from Hero Art. Now this is one of my personal new favorites. This is a red rubber stamp from Hero Arts. It's a 6x6 cling stamp. It is called Starlight Star Bright. And this would be so much fun to play around with. So it just does this beautiful sort of celestial background. Great for card making, journaling, scrapbooking, anything your heart's desire. And then if you stamped it in black, for example, and you took one of the two-tone metallic sprays from Hero Arts, or maybe a few of them, you could do some very awesome things in terms of creating a shimmery sort of background. You could also stamp this one out using the Lisa Horton Interference ink. That would look very cool. So yeah, love this stamp set. This one is also returning from last year. This is the Fa La 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 background stamp. Again, it's 6x6. Beautiful for creating lovely backgrounds. And it looks like you took hours just writing it out. It's really, really pretty. Speaking of taking hours writing something out, this one is actually the lyrics to Jingle Bells written out. So this one would be another really fun one to have in your holiday stash. You could do some fun things if you junk journal with this as well. Just saying. Then we have the Festive Pattern Bold Print Stamp. How stinking cool is that? Love it. We also have rub-ons from Hero Art. So this one is called Joyful Christmas Messages. And joyful indeed. And then we have this one here. This one is called Holiday Messages. Ooh, very cool. I think that concludes Hero Arts. We have alcohol ink blending solution back in stock from Tim Holtz and Ranger. We still have our promotion happening. I think we have like 3 or 4 tote bags left. So grab those while you can. I think you spend $35 on qualifying Tim Holtz products and you get a little tote bag as a bonus. We have from Spellbinders flowering tree cutting dies. So you can create different seasonal trees. You can leave the leaves off for fall or winter. You can add little plants and stuff for spring or summer. It's really, really sweet, delicate little size, adorable. We have from All in Create for all you dog lovers. This one is called Santa's Pups, and these are so cute. So it's literally a pack of like Christmas dogs and puppies that you can tuck onto a card front, for example, for someone. You can tuck inside of a card. There's this cute little pug here. There's all kinds of different dogs, so you can make cards for all the dog lovers in your lives. Hi, Suzanne. Thanks for joining. Let's see. Speaking of All in Create, this is actually a picture of the Washi Whimsical workshop that I was mentioning at the beginning of the video. So this is an in-person class, $25. You're making 3 gorgeous cards. And I think you're taking it a step further and you might be decorating the insides of these as well. From 10 till 12, taking place at the Legion on September 14th. We also have this Victorian Yuletide card creation class where this is the one where you make 6 cards, you decorate the envelopes, the insides, all of it, and this will be done over Zoom Thursday, October 3rd from 7 till 9:30. We have some upcoming September events happening, starting off next weekend with our craft sale / garage sale. craft show / garage sale. And then we have the September to Remember No Frills crop happening. That is a 1-day only crop where you come, you bring whatever projects you want to work on, and you just get social and have fun for the day, crafting the day away. Okay, back to unboxing. So starting off with this next one, this is the All in Create washi tape. So with this washi tape, you can use it as, you know, the name states, washi tape, or you can actually rip off chunks and build them up to create a really cute little puppy Christmas pup scene. So this one is called Yule Barks. Ta-da. Ooh, lordy. Then we have this one. This one is called Foxy Festivities. So here's what it looks like on the roll. But then here's what it looks like when you build it up. So you have some really cute foxes. They're on top of a pile of gifts. Really, really sweet. Ta-da. Speaking of sweet, Bella has outdone herself again with some take and makes. So this one is a fun fold card. It actually stands up like this. And she also did a coffee mug one. These are available on the website. We have some Craft Perfect double-sided red tape. Some Distress Brayers, the small and the medium back in stock. Oh, here's the other take and make. I was so sad I couldn't show you guys. How adorable is this? So Brayers back in stock. We have little foam square pop dots, the 2 different sizes available. Foam tape as well. Sorry about my internet, guys. It seems to be acting wonky today. My apologies. And then last but not least, we have Simple Stories. This is a card kit for the Snow Pine Lodge collection. So with this particular kit, you can recreate the 8 different cards that are shown on the front here. They're super fun and easy to assemble. All of the pieces pop out, so there's no need for fussy cutting. You don't even need scissors to assemble these. You just follow the directions that are included. Maybe add pop dots and bling. But yeah, really, really fun kit. So here's all your backgrounds. Here's all your embellishments. It comes with 38 chipboard pieces, 51 die cut bits and pieces, white card bases, step-by-step instructions. The only other thing you might want to add are envelopes, but that is also optional. So we love these kits. They're super fun and great for the upcoming holiday season. That concludes today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you saw anything that you liked and you want to learn more about it, go to our website, classac.ca, click on shop, and it will bring you to new arrivals. Click on the month of September, because we're in September now. I cannot believe it. And there you will find all of these new goodies and probably more. Things are always coming in, so we can't wait to share with you guys again next week. Bye!